In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ssemble stock library. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add attention-grabbing visuals at the start of your video using Semble's built-in options, so your audience stays hooked from the very first seconds. Start by logging in to Ssemble. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your workspace or dashboard. From here, open the project that contains the clip you want to enhance. If your clip isn't in a project yet, make sure the media is uploaded and then open it in the editor. When the editor loads, you should see the preview window, timeline, and your editing panels, confirming you're in the right place to begin. Next, click on Edit. This brings up the controls for the selected clip. If you don't immediately see the Edit option, select the clip in your timeline or media panel first, and the edit controls will appear. The Edit area is where you adjust what the viewer sees and hears, and it's also where Ssemble groups useful tools that help you shape your story. Now go to the Hook section. The hook is the part of your edit dedicated to your opening moment, the snippet that grabs attention fast. Think of it as your headline in motion. The Hook section collects tools and suggestions designed specifically to boost watch time in those make-or-break first few seconds. Here you can toggle on game video or meme hook. Turning on game video tailors the library toward dynamic, fast-moving gameplay visuals, perfect if your content benefits from kinetic energy or a competitive feel. Enabling meme hook, on the other hand, steers you toward humorous, familiar, internet-native clips that create instant recognition and lighten the tone. Choose the toggle that best fits your brand, audience, and the emotion you want to spark right away. Then select from the library. Browse the options that appear and take a moment to consider pacing, tone, and relevance to your message. Look at the duration and visual style so your choice aligns with the rest of your edit. If previews are available, use them to quickly audition clips without committing. When you click a selection, Ssemble will apply it to your project's hook area so it flows naturally into your main content. If your first pick doesn't feel quite right, simply try another until the opening lands exactly how you want. That's it. Log in, open your clip in the editor, click Edit, head to Hook, toggle the type of hook you want, and select from the library. With these simple moves, you'll transform your opening seconds and set your video